Hey guys, sorry for the delay in uploading a new video. I was ordering some parts and waiting for them to arrive to replace the damaged parts. And now, they're here. I bought the rear boot spoiler, the front bumper, the rear bumper and the splitter. I also bought some 3M vinyl wrap in gloss black alongside with the wrapping tools. So in this video, I'm going to attempt to vinyl wrap all of these. Seems simple enough, so wish me luck. Okay, so I managed to wrap the diffuser and the splitter yesterday, but I ran out of vinyl wrap, so I wasn't able to wrap the spoiler, so instead I painted it. I also fitted the diffuser to the bumper and also did a test fit on the car. In the next video, I'll be working on the car again, and I hope this build gets a bit more exciting, and I know it will, so I'll see you in the next video.